Yeah, Brooke's turn.
I was like so sick.
Brookie, no! You don't hold it. All right, back up from Zach, or you're gonna get hurt.
I have like right in the teeth or...
I don't know. We're getting there. He's got a weakness now, I think.
I think so too. The middle, right?
Riley, go! It's my turn. My turn. Yeah, I got three. No. You still get. And I got three. One more, Brooke.
Stay back, too close.
Go. Whoa.
Watch out, Bradley. You're gonna get hit with a bat.
Stand back, guys. Brooke, stand back.
Oh,
Zach's turn.
Bradley's turn.
I just got it loose for it. Okay, Brooke's turn. Oh, I just got it. Bradley. I made it lower. Hey, Mom, look. I'm bleeding.
Okay. You'll be okay.
Stand back, guys.
You're gonna get...
Bradley, stand back.
Oh.
He's gonna get it. Can he keep the...
Can I have one more chance? One more?
Go ahead. All right, it's Bradley's turn again.
Yeah. Oh, busted open. Right in the tail.
I secretly taped the whole thing up. You're never getting in. No.
Oh, okay.
Get it, Bradley. Get it.
I see what it is. Bradley, you're done. Bradley, you're done.
Don't say it.
Get sick.
Don't say it.
I broke
Brooke's
it.
turn to hit it. It's Brooke's turn to hit it.
I broke it.
You did?
Yeah. I broke it.
Beat it, Brooke. Zach, get it.
Stand back, guys.
Bradley, stand back.
Zach, I can't believe. What is it? What is it? Bubble gum.
Oh my gosh.
Knock out candy for me. Zachary. Yay! Gumball.
Back at you, Zach. There you go.
Oh!
I hope I know what it is. Ah! Candy. I'll take it. Oh, I'll take that. I got.
What are you picking up there, guys?
What is it, Zach?
Show everybody what you have.
Ah! Everybody, come look what I got. What?
Beat it, Zach. Beat it.
Zach.
Beat it in the butt. I don't know what it is. Oh, look, there's candy. Bradley, get off. You ran Zach.
Brooke, you don't get it?
Zachary.
Stand back, guys.
Guys, everybody stop for a second.
You can have
Everybody stop for a second.
and the heart.
Zachary!
Bradley, get away.
Yeah. What is it? And you can
Look at the candy, guys.
Yeah. It's a boy. You can have that. I have both. I know it's a boy. It's blue.
There you go.
It's a boy. Take this out. Yep.
Oh.
I got that. Yep. Yep. This is the one.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Candy drop. Oh my god. Oh yay! Candy!
Wow, nothing gets by them.
Candy!
Woo!
Oh, candy! Mom, how'd you pick up?
Bradley, do you know what the baby is?
Yeah, it's a boy. It's blue.
Woo! Are you excited?
Yeah. I have these candy in my hand.
Zach's got a pile. Put on your necklaces, guys. I'm going to take your picture.
There's only one.